Hey traders, let's analyze a trade that I took on Friday. So on Friday, I took this short trade and it was in alignment with my higher time frame. So you see price is rejecting off this daily bearish order block, right? As seen by this week. Right, so we will be selling, right? So let's identify our point of interests. Okay, so here we see that we have the 30-minute bullish fair value gap, right here, and the 15-minute bearish fair value gap. So I took shots here. Yeah. When I was looking at price action, I took shots here. Okay. Because price created this 15-minute bearish value gap and it's been respected by this week. And also the 30-minute bullish value gap got disrespected, showing that price is bearish. Right. However, there were a few things that I didn't keep in mind. So the first thing was that this 15-minute bearish value gap has already been mitigated. Right. So since it's already been mitigated, right, price can go up whenever it wants, right? It has less resistance to go up. Okay, that's number one. Second is um, going down to the 15-minute. Okay, going down the 1 minute time frame, right? You have to look for a bearish change of character. So at the 1 minute here, right, price came up to the 15-minute bearish value gap, give a retest. Right, came up and gave a retest. But did it give like a proper change of character to the downside? No, it didn't. So that's one thing. And the last thing is price size to sweep twice in a point of interest or a imbalance. So you see here, in fact, right, price swept liquidity again. So besides sweeping liquidity to the left, right, at the current price action, price on go normally tend to sweep liquidity twice. So on the 15-minute time frame or even on the 1 hour, you can see that there's a weak sweep, right? Okay, so there's sweep. Then this is where price actually truly dumps all the way down. So you see for the first price action, price came up and came down, but it didn't go down all the way to the support at this support level. It didn't go all the way down. After it came up to sweep buy side, this is where it truly got enough liquidity to bring price all the way down to the support level. Right, so there's the three things that we have to take note of. Right, and also one small thing is that on the 15-minute time frame, I guess the fair value gap isn't that big, but that shouldn't be the main issue, right? If price action was like this, then let's take a look. Okay, price came down, right, give us this change of character and also the creation of a 15-minute bearish fair value gap, right here. So after change of character, price came up to retest the change of character level. Then you can take shorts. Okay, you can take shorts. But you wouldn't know how much price will move downwards. And as seen here, price move down to this, I guess, 5-minute bullish order block, right? It came down to this level before pumping all the way up to sweeping more liquidity. So here, right? Yes, price did a change of character and also mitigated the 30-minute bullish fair value gap and pump up. But as you can see, the last candle here is a consolidation candle. So I personally would have expected price to come up like this to this 5-minute bearish fair value gap before coming down. But in this case, right, it only retested the change of character. Right, it only retested the change of character, not the 5-minute imbalance. Okay, so yeah, aware. So would this be a good entry to take? No, because there's no liquidity sweep and price didn't come up all the way to the 5-minute bearish fair value gap for me to take any trades, right? So what could have been a better trade? So firstly, As we can see, the 30-minute bullish parallel gap got mitigated. Okay, as well as the 15. Okay, so now firstly we wait for a liquidity sweep. After sweep, right, head down to the 5-minute. Okay, and okay, to the 5-minute. So since there's a proper sweep, how can we confirm that? We have to confirm it by knowing that the 5-minute bullish fair value gap has been mitigated and a 5-minute bearish fair value gap has been created. Alright, so going to the 1-minute, you'll be finding a bearish change of character. So yeah, there's an imbalance here, right? A 1-minute imbalance, right? So we definitely want this imbalance to be cleared. So our change of character low will be here, right? Change of character. Alternatively, you can wait for the 5-minute bullish fair value gap to be mitigated. Okay, so here is here creation of the 5-minute bearish fair value gap as we hit downwards. Mitigate the 5-minute bullish fair value gap, right? Mitigate it if your body cannot close, then push upwards to where? We didn't really push upwards to the 5-minute bearish fair value gap, but instead to this 1-minute bearish order block, right? This 1-minute bearish order block, which was being respected, right? Or you can say we did a retest of the change of character, right? So mitigation of the 5-minute bullish fair value gap, a change of character, as well as the creation of a 5-minute bearish fair value gap. So we wait for retest, right? So these 4 conditions, right? For retest before you can see price hit downwards, right? So if you see on the 15-minute time frame, 15 minutes, right? Price has already cleared some right here. There's a lot of like bullish imbalances. The price has already cleared on its leg down right here, right? So it has already cleared some bullish imbalance. So now right, as price comes up, you can hit downwards freely to this support level, right? Fully to this support level. Yeah.